NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of a specific item or piece of content. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs are not interchangeable with one another because each NFT has its own distinct value. This uniqueness is what drives the demand for NFTs in various industries, including art, music, gaming, and virtual real estate. NFT marketplaces are platforms where these digital assets can be bought, sold, and traded. Each marketplace has its own set of rules, supported blockchains, and types of NFTs available. Understanding the different types of NFT marketplaces is crucial for beginners, as it helps in making informed decisions about where to start. Top NFT marketplaces for beginners. When you're new to NFTs, choosing the right marketplace is essential. Here are some of the most beginner-friendly NFT marketplaces. OpenSea. As one of the largest and most popular NFT marketplaces, OpenSea offers a wide variety of digital assets, including art, music, and domain names. It's a great place for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and extensive selection of NFTs. Rarible. Another popular platform, Rarible allows users to create, buy, and sell NFTs. It's known for its community-driven approach, allowing users to vote on platform upgrades and changes. Foundation. This platform is ideal for artists and creators looking to sell high-quality digital art. Foundation is more selective and requires an invitation to join, making it a good choice for those serious about entering the NFT art space. Mintable. Mintable is a beginner-friendly marketplace that offers a simple process for creating, or minting, NFTs. It also provides an easy-to-navigate interface for buying and selling digital assets. Binance NFT. Backed by one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance NFT offers a secure and reliable platform for trading NFTs. It's especially appealing for users who already have experience with Binance services. How to choose the right NFT marketplace. Choosing the right NFT marketplace depends on several factors, including your interests, the type of NFTs you're interested in, and the level of security you require. Here are some key considerations.